Name is Rahul Kushwa. So from today onwards, we are going to start a Power BI series. In this series, we will cover Power BI basic to advanced level. So let's understand what is Power BI. So Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool developed by Microsoft. It enables users to connect to various data sources, transform and save the data, create interactive reports and dashboards, and share insight with others. Power BI is designed to help individuals and organizations make data-driven decisions by providing a user-friendly and powerful platform for data analysis and visualization. Now let's understand the Power BI features. So Power BI features uh, we can see in a Power BI data connectivity, Power Query, data modeling, interactive visualization, drag and drop interface, cross filtering and slicing, natural language Q&A, publishing and sharing, data refresh, and customization. So these are the Power BI features. Let's understand how to connect data in Power BI desktop. This is the Power BI desktop. So first of all, to work on any kind of data, to make any kind of, report or dashboard, we have to get data into the Power BI desktop. So let's understand how to get data in Power BI desktop. So you can see here, it is the home tab. So under the home tab, you can see the get data option here. So once you click on the get data, you will see multiple data sources connection. You can connect Excel workbook, Power BI dataset, SQL Server, text and CSV data, web, and many more. Here you can see, if you want to connect like a folder or any other things, uh, 1 second, it's getting load. So here you can connect file, folder, PDF, XML, SharePoint folder, database. You can see Excel database, SQL, IBM. There are many more database we can connect into the Power BI. Okay, so now let's connect the Excel workbook in Power BI. So first of all, we have to click on get data, or just we can click on the Excel workbook. Once we click on this Excel workbook, we are also able be to connect Excel data set in the Power BI desktop. So once we click on get data, click on Excel workbook. Suppose we have this data, Amazon sales data. Click open. Now it's, you can see it's connecting. Okay, it is establishing a connection. You will see a new window. Okay, so these are your seed name, Amazon food category data set. So we have to check on this if we have multiple data on multiple sheets. So we have to click all the, but we have data only if we click on sheet 1, there is no data. Okay, so we have to uncheck and check in the Amazon food category 1 data set. Now it will ask you to load the data in Power BI desktop, or if you wanna some perform activity like you wanna clean data, you want to reshape your data, or you want to change something in your data, then you have to click on transform data. So this thing we will understand in next video. Now let's load this data into the Power BI desktop. So once we click on load, so now it's getting load. Power BI, it takes time, so here it is loading. Let's wait for some second. It is creating connection in a model. Okay, okay, so it's connecting. So this is taking time because it's a large data set. That's why it is taking too much time. You can see the data you have loaded. You will see, this is the your data name, and these are your column name in a data set. So okay, so the data you load in the Power BI desktop, you will see here, or you can see the data view. Okay, here you can see your data view, how it look like in a table format. Once we click on, like, you can see your data. Okay, so there are three sections in Power BI desktop. Like, this is a report view. If we create a report or dashboard, we have to work here. This is the data view to check our data. Okay, this is the data modeling model view. If we are working on multiple tables, and if we want to create a connection between the tables, then we have to work on the model view. So these things will understand in next video in detail when we will work on multiple data sets. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.